If you link an order to a PO, the vendor will send the items to you so you can ship them out yourself. Linking the order to a purchase order will prevent the order from loading in ShipBridge until the PO is received. Here are steps you need to take to link an order to a PO in Sellercloud. First, you need to go to Orders, and click on Manage Orders. Go to the Shipping Status filter and choose Unshipped from the drop-down menu. Then, from the Order Status filter, you need to select In Process or Completed. This will look up all of your unshipped orders. Next, select all the orders that you want to link to a PO. Click on the icon on the right-hand side and choose Link Items to PO. Select all the items from your orders and click on Next. Now you can create a new PO. Add the company and vendor and you are good to go.